Alrighty, today we're going to show you how to assemble the 5-foot tall Bigfoot. We tried to make it as easy as possible, even going so far as to create these labels to let you know what order there should be layered with the Bigfoot face down on a table. Tools you'll need, you can either use powered Phillips head or manual. Either of these will work, 3/8" wrench, or just a pair of pliers. Okay, the first thing you want to do is put your Bigfoot down on a flat surface. Table's best. The best thing you can put under it is an old sheet. That'll keep you from scratching up your Bigfoot. Then you just proceed to do the attachments in the order of how they're labeled. Each label has over or under on it. So what you want to do is you take your screw, find the under one, put it in the corresponding hole. You just place it over, tighten it finger tight. That's all you need to do. Now we're going to do this side later. We're going to go to B first. Now, in this case, you want the leg to be in front, so it's going to be underneath when it's face down. Put it in a hole. Now, this is why a sheet's good, because it's somewhat smooth, because you want to be able to move that a little bit. Put it through the corresponding hole. Tighten it finger tight. Alright, so these layers are different. There's 3 layers. There's a middle layer. So, the rules are the same. All C's, they all go together. You're going to put the screw through the under one. Bottom layer is going to be the front. Just going to slide that. So it goes through. Slide the over ones till it goes on. Attach your screw finger tight. Here we go on the D now. See your D layer. This is labeled under. So you want the back arm to be behind. Put your screw through. Put the over on. And attach your finger tight. Once again, you want this. We're not going to do all 3 at the same time. We're just going to do 2. We're going to stand it up before we add the third one. Alright, hold that off. So this is the 5-foot one. My wife and I did the 6-foot one yesterday. It definitely helps to have an extra pair of hands. See, I almost messed up. Even though I created it, this is why I've done these labels, because it gets confusing. So you got the under, slip the screw, line tight. Look at that, that's already lined up. This thing really does go together pretty easily. Screw. Tighten it finger tight. Okay, one more to go. Come around that side. Alright, so this is the easiest one to get first because it's near the edge. So you want the front arm to be in front, so that goes in the under position because it's face down. So once you get that first screw in, it's a lot easier to locate the second screw. You just rotate it. It pops up right there. I'm going to go for this one because it's easier to get to. Pop it down. And do it finger tight. So now you've got most of the screws in, I should say, finger tight. So what you want to do now is stand it up. We're just going to rotate it on the table and just stand her up. This way, you've got the screws in. You've got one screw per section you got to do yet. You're still just doing finger tight. want to use, this is obviously the easiest thing. You can use a manual, but it's a lot harder. Most people have something like this. And then you just, see how? The nut will grab hold, so you generally don't have to use anything to hold the nut.